Hey loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing this face for the first time or you're joining for the first time, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here and welcome on board. So loves, today's video was requested by a subscriber and she requests I do a video on admission process for U.S.A. U.S.A. stands for Universal School of Aviation, not United States of America. It stands for Universal School of Aviation, and that's where I finished from. And also I am a certified licensed cabin crew. Yeah, your wish is my command and I'm here for you. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright loves, so first thing first, you need to get the form. And how to get the form, you can either get it online on their website or you go directly to the school to purchase the form, and the form costs just 3,500 naira only. Yeah, so their location, the school location, they are located at Lagos, and they have another campus in Abuja. So Lagos and Abuja, you can either go directly to the school to purchase the form or you go online to get the form, and it's just 3,500 naira. The document required is just your high school certificate, which is your WAEC or NECO. Yeah, and also one passport photograph as well. Then having a degree is an added advantage. I will advise you go through the school, like you go directly to the school to get the form. So once you've gotten the form, you fill it immediately and then submit it together with your documents. Yeah, and after that you'll be contacted through email. They will send you your admission letter and then when to resume. So the tuition fee for cabin crew is 150,000 naira, excluding your medicals, your license, your insurance, and some other small fees. Yeah. Yes, I mentioned medicals because you have to be healthy and fit to be a cabin crew. And the duration for this course is just 6 weeks. Yeah, just 6 weeks. After 6 weeks, you'll be holding your license. Yeah, as you can see, this is mine. Yeah, and you'll be holding your license after 6 weeks. After your completion of your course, you'll be holding your license. Like, I feel so proud having this license. And you are a certified licensed cabin crew. Yay! And after you might have completed your course and have your license, yeah, that's right, then you can go ahead to apply with either local airlines or international airlines. And for the local airlines, we have Epis, we have Dana Air, we have Arik Air, we have Asman Air, we have Max Air, we have Aero Contractor, we have Green Africa, and so on and so forth. Then for the international, there's Emirates, Qatar Airlines, British Airways, we have American Airlines, we have Ethiopian Air, we have South African Air, and so many others. Yeah, so let me do a recap for you. First of all, I mentioned you get the form, and you can either get the form through the school or online. And also the fee for the form is just 3,500 naira. Yeah, and the document required for the application is just your high school certificate, which is your WAEC or NECO, one passport photograph. And also the duration for the course is just 6 weeks, and the tuition fee is 150,000 naira, excluding your medicals, license, insurance, and some other small fees. Yeah, and don't be scared, it's not that much. So loves, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it does, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, please, and join the family. And also let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this video, and if you have anything for me to share or to talk about, let me also know in the comment section below. And please share this video with your family and friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend and to tell a friend. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Savannah.